Surya early morning on the bridge. One of his duties is to do the bridge cleaning. Surya, don't smile, huh? So the bridge comes under his observation, and it's his duty to clean the bridge every day, mopping, brooming, and dusting. So this is one of the part of deck cadet's jobs, which he has to carry out on daily basis. Surya, today you take temperature of all the cargo holds through the temperature pipe, and then to the sampling point of the air temperature, and then you have to measure the phosphine readings everywhere, deck, accommodation, engine room. So after you finish, then you record it in the recording sheet, the company form, and then you let me know. Okay. And whoever is going to open the cargo hold vents, wear proper mask, and you always wear the mask, okay, when you are taking the readings and everything. And if any doubt, let me know. Fine? Or kuch?
With pleasure.
Or kuch nahi, only smiling. Only smiling, huh? हंसता क्यों इतना? हंसी आती है? सही है यार. घर पे कॉल किया कि नहीं किया?
किया सर, कॉल किया सर, कल ही बात किया सर पापा से.
तो ठीक है, once you're done, then let me know. Okay.
Sir, what's today's job Chickmet give you? Are you free?
Sir, actually I have to take the temperature of the cargo holds, setting for our temperatures and Watchman reading outside.
Okay, so
And soundings are okay,
okay, so today the weather is some not good. Just take care outside, okay? But if you have chance, after you taking this temperature, can you please go to paint store and take our stencils letters? So what you're gonna do is you will do the stencils on our manholes, enclosed space. All the enclosed space manholes will be hatched. You will do these stencils. The guys, ABs, they already painted this with yellow.
Surya, after checking cargo hold number 1 temperature, then also check the temperature through the temperature pipes of the cargo like we were doing before. Na? So we have to measure the temperature of the cargo also, all the thermometers which are hanging through the pipe.
Okay sir.
Once you finish this number 1 temperature, then update in the record, and then you take the temperature through the temperature pipe.
Okay sir.
Surya is checking now the cargo hold temperature, and you can see he is wearing his full PPE, that is personal protective equipment. Now since the cargo holds are fumigated, it's very important to wear this gas mask so that it doesn't inhale the fumigant even accidentally, because this phosphine fumigant is a deadly gas, but it is important for the cargo that the fumigation has to be done. So on everyday basis we check the temperature and measurement of the phosphine fumigant, which is performed by Surya. Surya, say hi. So he's very happy doing this job. Every day he's doing twice, and now he's become an expert in that. I'm on the way to the Four Peak store and the forecastle deck. Since last night we had some rough sea conditions, and we had a lot of sea sprays and shipping seas on the deck and hatch cover. So today I will check whether everything is okay in the forward part, because the sea was very rough last night, and it becomes very important to check that our forward area, all the machinery, equipment, everything is secured and everything is okay. So I'm on the way to the forward station now to do my daily rounds. I'm in the Four Peak store now, and all the equipment looks in good condition. There is no shifting or any damage. So since everything was secured properly here and well maintained and good hygiene, that's why it's okay now. So it becomes very important to keep all your stores and places in good condition, properly arranged and things properly lashed, so that when we have rough sea conditions, nothing moves out of the place and there is no damage to any equipment or the ship structure. So the forecastle area and the Four Peaks store is already checked and everything is fine here.
shipments are coming.
Yeah, Surya, go ahead.
सर ये सब ले लिया सर, इसमें डाल दिया सर, इसमें वो फॉरवर्ड में.
What, say again?
सर जो टेम्परेचर है ना सर वो रिपोर्ट में डाल दिया सर.
You mean the whole temperature?
सर होल टेम्परेचर सर.
Okay. Just write it in the piece of paper, ship's office में रख देना.
ठीक है सर.
And number one temperature taken ना?
सर नंबर 131 सर.
Yeah, update it in the log जो हम भेजते हैं रोज, and जो whole temperature है from the temperature pipe, write it down. This is a life raft which is kept in the forward, just at the break of forecastle and cargo hold number 1. So everything looks fine here. Some water had penetrated, but the life raft is still intact and in place. This is the anchor wire lashing of the starboard anchor, which looks little loose. It has become because of shipping sprays. So we will need to tighten this again so that our anchor does not accidentally drops in the water. As you can see, it has automatically become loose. So I think this one we'll have to tighten up so that the anchor chain is properly secured. Now the inspection of the forward area is already complete and everything looks fine here in the Four Peaks store as well as the forecastle deck. Because as I told before, we had some rough seas last night, so it had become very important to check this forward area. And also on the daily basis we should check the forward area so that everything is secured here and nothing gets damaged, either the ship's property or the ship structure. So that was all from the forward, and I'm proceeding towards the deck now to see the work progress. Now me and Surya are going to the engine room to check the freshwater sounding. That is also checked on daily basis, that how much freshwater we have on board. This is the freshwater tank starboard side of the ship. It has got a gauge to check the level of freshwater inside the tank. We have got two freshwater tanks, port side and starboard side. So Surya is now taking the reading on the starboard side, and similarly he will take on the port side. And this is the freshwater tank port side. It has got a similar arrangement of measuring the quantity of water, that is through the gauge. So both the tanks we have to measure, either take sounding or from the gauge, and check the quantity of fresh water on board, which we use it for domestic purpose. All okay, Surya? How much? 82 tons. And on the starboard side? 201. Okay. Surya, what are you doing? Stencils cutting. This is for accommodation, right?
Yes, sir. For accommodation.
Which deck?
For this one, so this for A deck, sir.
A deck. And what about Monkey Island, B, C, D?
Yes, sir. Already we are preparing for it.
Okay, so Surya is cutting here stencils. This we normally put on various places, marking to show which space it is. It is like a paint, but with alphabets or numbers. So this stenciling cutting Surya is doing here, and when the stencils are prepared, he will put the stencils on the required places. Right, Surya?
Yes, sir.
So how much time you think it will take to finish?
It will take long time, sir.
How long? Very long or little long?
Very long, sir.
Very long मतलब कितना?
सर मुझको लगेगा सर ये 2-3 घंटे लगेगा.
2-3 घंटे? Okay, anyways. Luckily you did not say 2-3 days, only 2-3 hours. Chalo, good. Continue. And once it is done, put all the stencils and let me know, okay? Now Surya is in the ship's office and he's making one photo report. So every day we are supposed to take some photographs on board the ship, whatever work is going on, and we have to send it to the office on weekly basis. So Surya is our expert in that work, and you can see he's just sitting on the computer and making the reports. So this is also part of the deck cadet's duty, that he has to take photographs of the ongoing work on board, put them or compile them into one file, and then we have to send it to the office on weekly basis. अब बता कौन से ड्रेसिंग रूम में था? हैं? डेक चेंजिंग रूम. अच्छा तो ड्रेसिंग रूम बोला तो I got confused. God knows which dressing room you are there in. Okay. So friends, today you saw the daily routine of the deck cadet. This is a bulk carrier ship, so the routine of the deck cadet may differ from other vessels because every type of vessel has their own work routine. But on a bulk carrier ship like this, in which we are sailing on, that is the normal routine of the deck cadet. Deck cadet is a trainee navigating officer. He's under the supervision of chief officer. So Surya on board is under my supervision. I am his shipboard training officer, and as an STO we have to make sure that the cadet gets the right kind of training on board, so that in future he can be a good officer and ready to take responsibilities even during normal working days and emergencies. And I'm sure the cadet on board this ship, that is Surya, he will become a very good officer because he's very hardworking and sincere boy, and he takes initiative in his work, shows interest, and he's a very good learner. So that is the reason I'm sure he will be a very good officer in future, and I wish him all the best and all the good luck. So friends, that was all for today. I hope you liked today's story. Please do subscribe to my channel. Stay happy, stay safe. Thank you for watching.
Hello, my friend, we meet again. It's been a while, where should we begin? Feels like forever. Within my heart are memories of perfect love that you gave to me. Oh, I remember when you are with me, I'm free, I'm careless, I believe. Above all the others will fly. This brings tears to my eyes. My sacrifice.